I am a technical assistant there, which means that I am a postgraduate and I have research experience right from National Chemical Laboratory to NIV was my first job. So what we do is we are into diagnostic services towards Southeast Asian region for measles, mumps and rubella molecular biology studies, and this is how I do my molecular biology work in lab.
And she's the first Indian woman figure athlete. This science graduate has always been a fitness and sports enthusiast. A day-long session with a leading international figure athlete in 2012 inspired her to become one. Hard work and dedication has won her many laurels 2 years down the line.
I'm India's first international figure athlete. What I mean by international figure athlete is that in the field of women's bodybuilding, there are divisions. There are categories, like there's a bikini category, there's a figure category, there's physique category, and there's bodybuilding. In India, these categories or bodybuilding for women as such has not evolved yet. But internationally, these categories do exist. And I am the first one who represent our country into the figure category.
Deepika's busy day starts with jogging in a nearby park. She lives in Pune's Viman Nagar area in a small but cozy home with her husband and in-laws. She always makes breakfast for her family on her return from morning exercise. Day's first meal is the crucial family bonding time in Deepika's household. Her family is a main source of support.
मतलब लड़की अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है दीपिका। सुबह उठता है, फिर नाश्ता बनाता है, मतलब हम लोग का और हम दोनों का एज हो गया, हमारा दीपिका का मतलब हमारा हस्बैंड को, तो उसको भी सेवा करते हैं हम लोग। मतलब दीपिका बिना हम लोग को नहीं चलता है।
जितना मेरे से होता है फाइनेंशियली उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए मैं उसके साथ उसका खाना डाइट में जितना सपोर्ट कर सकता हूँ उस हिसाब से, प्लस उसका जो रूटीन है, उसका रूटीन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, रूटीन के हिसाब से जितना उसको सपोर्ट करता हूँ। तो जैसे सुबह उसका स्टार्ट होता है मोस्टली, तो ऑब्वियसली एज ए हाउस होल्ड वाइफ शी हैज टू मेक खाना बनाना मेरे लिए व्हाटएवर इन हाउस जो भी बना के ऑफिस जाती है। देन शाम को जब वो आती है व्हाटएवर, तो उस टाइम उसको जिम में अकम्पनी मैं करता हूँ।
She has scored a hat-trick by winning 3 competitions in a row since last year. Yet, she struggles to get a pro card and a sponsor.
It's very difficult. It's difficult because of the investment that goes into making this kind of a body. First of all, because of the diet and because of the travel, you have to manage everything, right from your stay to your expenses to towards the competition. So my husband is my spine. If he was not there, it was next to impossible for me to compete.
From a simple middle-class life, Deepika has transformed herself into a role model in figure category of bodybuilding. It's been possible because she is passionate about her dream and perseveres to achieve it.
I want to become an inspiration, and I want the other women to understand that if I can do it, I'm just another person, just next door person. If I can do this, anybody can do this. So I want this thought to be accepted by each and every woman who wants to do something into fitness as a sport, and it's possible.
With Pankaj Khelkar in Pune, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.